took it to the top.
To grow up your YouTube channel, you're welcome to this channel. If this is what you really want to achieve in this year 2025, then you need to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. For those of you that you've created your channel and you have uploaded more than 3 to 4 videos on your channel, even more than that, but you notice that your videos are not getting views, they are not getting likes, they are not even engaging, people are not engaging to your videos, then these are the 3 things I will encourage you to do. First of all, you need to keep uploading your video. So far you just created that channel, don't stop, don't be discouraged. I am one of you. I am also I've just created this channel, right? But I also have my other channel that have grown to some subscriber, not that much, but at least have grown them. But some of the mistake I made by when I created that video was I was actually getting views like 1k views, 2k views, but I was so discouraged at 1k views when others are getting 30 something views, 40 something views. Why am I getting 1k views? And then something got me distracted and I wasn't so consistent like before. Then I'll now be posting maybe once in a month, but I noticed that it really affected my channel. It really affected that channel. That is why I created this new channel, because I want to really know why I stopped posting videos. First of all, you need to inspire yourself. You need to talk to yourself. In case you don't have somebody, to be sincere, creating content on YouTube or on social media can be overwhelming, but when you have self-determination, and there are some channel you need to subscribe to that can even give you that zeal that this person have posted video, let me go and post. Yes, that is why you are following those channels. You don't follow them because of any other thing. You need somebody that will encourage you to keep posting your channel. So first of all, you need to keep posting. Secondly, you need to work on your thumbnail. You need to work on the thumbnail of your video. In case you are having issue with your thumbnail, then leave a comment. I will tell you simple way you can create an attractive thumbnail using AI. Just leave a comment, make a video on thumbnail, then I'll be glad to do that. Then second of it is for you to go to your YouTube studio. This YouTube studio, we are going there together. So follow me, let's go to our YouTube studio and finish the work. Yes guys, these are the settings, all this button you need to turn on in case you are having low views on your videos. Then just come to Chrome. Make sure your Chrome is already on desktop version here, this place. Make sure your Chrome is already on desktop version here. This is desktop version. Make sure your phone is there. The settings of your Chrome is already there. Then you come to this YouTube dashboard. This is it. After you type it, it's going to bring you to YouTube dashboard. You click on it. Let me just click on it. Then you click on it. After clicking on the way it's going to show on your laptop, that is how it's going to still show on your mobile phone. So in case you don't have a system or you don't have a laptop, don't worry, just use your phone. Don't stress yourself. You know, I told you I'm going to grab you, so grab me back. So when you get to this is how your channel is going to look like in a computer system, but now we are actually using our phone. So here is our settings. You scroll down. Make sure you scroll down very well. Then you are going to see settings. You are going to see a board like this that is writing settings. This is it here. You click on it. Click on settings. When you come to these settings, and let me tell you what you will do. This is it. This is settings. I'm just trying to zoom it a bit for you so that you can see it well. So this general is going to be in USD. But if you want to change it to your currency, then you can go ahead and change it to your currency. But as we Nigerians, it's better we put it in this USD. Don't change it to Naira. Then you come to channel, you click on channel. This is channel here. You click on channel. Then after clicking on channel, it's going to ask a country of residence. Many of you people did not used to set it. So you come to this side and you set it. You click on the country of your residence, wherever you are. Maybe you're in Ghana, South Africa, any country of your choice. Just click on it. Me, I'm in Nigeria. That is why it is set as Nigerian here. And you come to this keyword. These are the keywords that you need for your channel to grow. If you are having low views, that means you have not put in the right keywords in this space. So all you need to do is to put the right keyword that's related to your channel. If you are into skincare, like this channel is also about beauty lifestyle, then you put like how to glow, beautiful lifestyle, how to, you understand. If you are into vlog, you put something that is going to go along with vlogging. But if you are looking for a way to get the keywords for your channel, anyone you see, just put it. At least you have avenue of typing 500 words. So how to clear stretch mark. You put keywords that related to problems that people normally search for. They are always searching for the answer. Just put their keyword. How to clear stretch mark. How keywords that you are putting. Anytime people are searching for it, then your channel is going to pop up for them. Then by that, and with you having a quality thumbnail, then you see you are going to get subscriber. Trust me. So after that, I'm going to tell you another thing you need to. So after you've added your keyword, then you come to your advanced setting. Click on advanced setting. After you've clicked on advanced setting, it's now going to ask you this question here. It's going to ask you that, do you want your channel to be made for kids? If your channel is all about cartoon for kids, then you said yes. But if you know your channel is not for kids, then you said no. You said no. This channel is not made for kids. You said no. This channel is not made for kids. And that is it. It's going to ask you automatic caption, this and this. Just ignore this. Don't tamper with it. Don't tamper with any other thing there. Then you come to this side where you have future eligibility. It's going to ask you this, that you should enable them. Standard features, enable everything. By the time you have a lot, like 3 to 4 videos on your channel, this one here, this advanced feature will be enabled on its own. Then after that, you click on save. After you save it, then you've already created
awareness for YouTube so that it can push your video to your audience. Make sure you do these
3 things that I've just listed. Then you will see how your channel is going to skyrocket to higher level. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. And please don't forget to hit that like button, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because that is the only thing you can give me in this 2025. Thank you guys, and I love you. Leave a comment for me. Tell me how your girl looked today. How do I look? I actually do this makeup for you guys. How do I look? Thank you.